Demonstration, we will use the AiiDA query tool to understand the contents of our AiiDA database. Specifically, we want to get some statistics of the calculations we ran on several codes. So in this first example, we show how many codes we have, and for each code we will ask how many calculations were launched with that specific code. So here I'm instantiating QueryBuilder instance and telling it that I want to query for codes. This command gets all my codes. For each of these codes, I make a new query that looks at how many calculations have used that code. If I execute this, I see that there are two codes. The first code has launched 444 calculations and the second code 48. If I want some more in detail statistics, for example, I would like to know how long these calculations on average took, I have to write a bit longer query. So here, for example, we instantiate a new QueryBuilder instance. We append the code and add a filter to it. So we say that we want to have the label of the first code we had. Now I'm attaching all the calculations that are output of this code with a constraint that they should have run on only one machine. I'm attaching also a parameter data object that is instance of an input of this calculation, and filtering out only the calculations that are of type VC relax, so that are cell relaxations. For the output, I want to know only the wall time in seconds that the calculation took. So if I execute this query, I see that there were 444 calculations and that the average wall time was 550 seconds.